Hi and welcome to my channel. Today we shall be talking about Microsoft Excel updates. We shall be talking about your Excel version so that we know in what environment we shall be learning together. So kindly open a blank Excel spreadsheet and let's get started. There you go. Now please select the file menu and then select account. Please note that this is the backstage view. In the backstage view, you got a lot to do. You can create new workbooks, you can open new files, you can check out the information about your version of Microsoft Excel. You can save as, and so on and so forth. Now, in this lesson, I want you to select the account option. Now look at the left hand pane. There is a lot about your version of Excel. As you can see, I will be training you on Microsoft 365. Now look at this button, update options. This is very, very important. So I suggest that you should always visit. If you find that this button is yellow, then there is a problem. Then probably your updates have not been applied. You should also ensure that you see this button. Okay? If you see enable updates, that would mean that you have not enabled automatic updates. I advise that you always enable updates so that you can get bug fixes from Microsoft updates versions of Excel on a monthly basis. So I advise that you also do the same. Just do like I have done. Make sure to enable automatic updates. If you haven't, please click update now. Also notice your version information right here. You can see that I am currently running the version that was released in the month of May, that is May 2023, 2305, May 2023. So I have nothing to worry about. My Excel version is up to date and I'm ready to roll. So click on the back button to return to the Excel grid and then close Excel. And that is our first lesson. In our next lesson, we shall be talking about the Office theme. See you then.